Everything was fun.
I joined in the swimming,
riding a boat,
riding bike,
concert, walking,
cooking and swimming.
I like everything.
The main purpose with this action was to engage everybody that are included in our centers, so youth themselves, volunteers and the ones who are working with children, and go together out to fight for this, that we become recognized and at the end also that government can hear us. Vesna Žibart, I'm the coordinator of this action. We took our bicycles and we started in Lendava and today we reach Piran.
Whole path was like 7 days, 7 organizations, every day one organization. Bateia Burnar, Zona Fugine.
I adore doing voluntary work for almost any action which works into benefits of kids. My name is Darko Nikolowski. I'm a rapper / actor / director. I think that our future is going to be built by these little things, and I believe that what we're gonna put into them is what we're gonna get out of them, you know, when they grow up. So I really love working with children.
My name is Peter Bosman. I'm the mayor of Piran. I think it's for the local authorities to try and help NGOs to survive during times of crisis, to support their programs and to provide them with logistics and other kind of help that they can make a success of their programs.
We had guests like First Lady, the Mayor of Piran, performances of users of youth centers, concert of Nikolowski. And we were making mosaic with kids. I'm Shiga Pulin. I'm a volunteer in Shkoloc and I was coordinator of this event.
Vitus Simnišek. I'm coordinator of community programs of Center of Social Work Moste. We must cover expenses from our budgets between 4 and 6,000 euros for that project. We get some donations, but not in cash.
It's very important to support volunteering and giving. Giving time and money. Giving both is important. Barbara Miklic-Turk, the wife of the president of Slovenia. It's very good to see that you can help even before the disaster strikes, actually. Prevention is better than cure. So I'm very happy that this action is so successful.